Hello, crypto community. Today we're reviewing an exchange that's showing up more and more in chats and conversations, BYDFi. This is not just another platform, but a fast and convenient tool where everything runs like clockwork. A clean interface, no clutter, and maximum speed. And yes, BYDFi is a partner of the legendary Newcastle United Football Club. That's not just a flashy headline, but a sign of trust and serious status on the global market. In this video, we'll go through the full journey: registration and security setup, verification and account funding, spot and futures trading, copy trading, and trading bots, working with MoonX, the built-in DEX right inside the exchange. And here's the best part. By using our link in the description, you'll get a bonus of up to 8,100 USDT, 1 month of VIP status, and direct support from the BYDFi team. Promo code CryptoPump. So get comfortable. Ahead is a breakdown of an exchange that could become your main tool in crypto. Let's go! BYDFi is a modern international cryptocurrency platform launched in 2020 and rapidly gaining popularity. Its secret is simple: a clean interface, high speed, and a well-designed structure where everything is intuitive and free of unnecessary noise. Even beginners feel confident from their very first steps. Advantages of BYDFi: no mandatory KYC. Most features are available right after registration. Verification is only required for higher limits and specific operations. Perfect for those who value privacy. Speed and stability. The terminal executes orders instantly, data updates smoothly, and the system remains reliable even during high market volatility. Security. Cold storage of assets, multi-level account protection, two-factor authentication, and risk monitoring. Growth and new features. The platform is constantly updated, adding tools and running promotions for new users. BYDFi is an exchange that combines simplicity and functionality, remaining a reliable working tool for traders of any level. Getting started with BYDFi is super easy. The whole process takes less than a minute. Steps to register? Follow the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link with promo code CryptoPump, which activates welcome bonuses up to 8,100 USDT and gives 1 month of VIP status to every referral. On the page that opens, choose how to create your account, via email or via phone number. Enter your email or phone, create a secure password, and click Create Account. Receive a confirmation code by email or SMS and enter it. Done. Your account is created. What's next? Right after registration, you'll land in your personal dashboard, where you can set up security, fund your account, start trading. The BYDFi interface is so simple that even complete beginners can figure it out. And don't forget to check the description. There you'll find useful links to help you start faster and more profitably. After registration, the first thing to do is protect your account. This is your shield against any risks. Steps to set up security: hover over the profile icon in the top right corner, select account and security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a mandatory protection measure. Click enable next to Google Authenticator, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone, scan the QR code that appears on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save the backup key. You'll need it if you lose access to your phone. Extra measures. Once 2FA is enabled, your account is securely protected and you can move on to verification. On BYDFi, you can trade and use the main features without mandatory KYC, but if you want higher limits, faster withdrawals, and full platform functionality, it's better to complete identity verification. How to pass KYC? Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner, select identity verification. Click start. Choose your document type: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document. Take a selfie. The system will automatically match the image. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes just a few minutes, after which your status changes to verified. What unlocks after KYC? Extended limits, additional features, faster withdrawals. KYC on BYDFi is a quick step that unlocks the full functionality and makes working with the exchange even more convenient. Reminder: all the top exchanges, reliable wallets, and trusted services with exclusive bonuses are collected for you in the description under this video. After registration and security setup, you can move on to finances. On BYDFi, it's as simple as it gets. The interface is intuitive, so even beginners can figure it out. Method 1: deposit with cryptocurrency. Perfect if you already own crypto. Hover over the wallet menu at the top, select deposit, choose the coin, for example, USDT. Select the network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, BNB chain, or another. Copy the address provided by the system. Transfer funds from your wallet or another exchange. Important: the sending network must match the chosen deposit network. If they differ, funds will be lost. After blockchain confirmations, the cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your balance. Method 2: deposit via exchanger. Ideal if you don't yet have crypto or want to pay directly with a bank card. Follow the link to the exchanger aggregator in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the cryptocurrency, for example, USDT TRC20. Pick an exchanger with a good rating and favorable rate. On the exchanger site, paste your BYDFi deposit address. Complete the payment. Within a few minutes, the coins will arrive in your account. Note: BYDFi's P2P marketplace isn't available in all countries, so for fiat deposits, it's better to use the trusted exchangers listed in the description. You can withdraw from BYDFi either in cryptocurrency or fiat via online exchangers. The process is completely identical to deposits, the same steps, just in reverse. Spot trading is the simplest and most straightforward way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current or chosen price. The BYDFi interface is extremely beginner friendly, so even newcomers can easily understand it. How to start? In the top menu, select Spot. The trading terminal will open. Find the trading pair you need, for example BTC, USDT, or any other coin from the list. Order types: market order. The trade is executed instantly at the current price, perfect for quick buys and sells. Limit order: you set the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. Next steps: enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the coins immediately appear in your spot balance. After the trade, you can withdraw assets, exchange them, use them in other sections of the platform, futures, copy trading, or bots. Spot trading on BYDFi is a fast and convenient way to work with crypto without unnecessary complications. Futures are one of the key tools on BYDFi, allowing you to profit both from rising and falling markets. Unlike spot trading, here you trade contracts, which means you can use leverage, open long and short positions, apply more flexible multiple strategies, this format is especially appealing to those who want to increase potential profits and use advanced trading methods. BYDFi features: support for perpetual futures, user-friendly interface, high-speed order execution, simple management, even for beginners. How to trade futures. In the top menu, select futures. The terminal opens with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Set your parameters. Trading pair, like BTC USDT. Leverage, from 1 to 100. Beginners are recommended 2 to 5. Direction, long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Order type, market, open at the current price. Limit, open at the price you set. Trade amount, enter the volume. Stop loss and take profit, essential for risk control. Click open position. All active positions are displayed in the lower panel of the terminal. Here you can track P&L, profit loss. See the liquidation price. Adjust stop loss and take profit. Close positions fully or partially. Futures on BYDFi are a flexible tool that opens up more opportunities for traders, but they require discipline and smart risk management. Want more insights, bonuses, and proven tools? We've collected all the top exchanges, reliable wallets, and trusted services in one place. Links are waiting in the description under the video. Copy trading is the opportunity to connect to professional traders' strategies and automatically mirror their trades. This feature is perfect for beginners who want to earn without deep analysis, traders who prefer the simplest format of trading. How to open copy trading. In the top menu, select copy. The main screen will appear with 2 tabs. Top traders, a selection of the best strategies right now. All traders, the full list of available strategies. In the high ROI block, you'll see traders with the highest returns over the last 30 days. The list updates automatically. Trader metrics. Each trader displays key indicators. ROI for the period, for example, 30 days. Maximum drawdown, P&L. Trade frequency, number of followers, trading style. Connecting to a trader, click the copy button on the trader's card. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the strategy. Confirm the connection. From then on, all new trades by the selected trader will automatically be repeated in your account. BYDFi allows flexible risk management, maximum trade size, loss limit, position count limit, automatic stop copying in case of drawdown, flexible management. At any time, you can pause copying, close individual trades, adjust limits, disconnect completely from the trader. Copy trading on BYDFi is a simple way to tap into the expertise of professionals and earn alongside them, while keeping full control over risks and flexible management of your capital. Trading bots are built-in automated strategies that help you profit from market fluctuations without constant monitoring. They work 24/7 and take routine tasks off the trader's shoulders. Available bot types. BYDFi offers 4 real formats. Spot Grid buys lower and sells higher within a chosen range. Spot DCA, dollar cost averaging, regularly buys small portions of a coin, lowering the average entry price. Futures Grid, grid strategy on futures, allowing you to earn both on growth and decline. Spot Martingale, increases purchase volume during dips to recover faster when the price bounces back. How to launch a bot? Hover over the top menu and open trading bots. Choose the bot type. For example, Spot Grid. Select a trading pair, like BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually. Trading range, number of levels, investment amount, or leave some settings by default. Click Create to launch the bot. After launch, the bot works fully automatically, places a grid of orders, locks in profit as the price moves, displays statistics in your dashboard. At any time, you can stop the bot, adjust settings, withdraw profits, view detailed statistics. Trading bots on BYDFi are a tool that lets you automate your strategy and earn even when you're away from the screen. If you still have questions, join our private referral chat. There we break down all the nuances of trading, share working strategies, and help set up tools so they actually deliver results. The link, as always, is waiting for you under the video. MoonX is a fully decentralized marketplace right inside BYDFi. Here you can buy and trade tokens directly through blockchain networks, with no intermediaries. It's especially useful for meme coins, new listings, and assets that aren't yet available on centralized exchanges. How to open MoonX. In the top menu, select MoonX, and a separate section with convenient navigation will open. Main tabs, watch list, tokens you've added manually. New listings, fresh projects just entering the market. Trends, tokens with high interest and activity. Xstocks, 24H vol index screener. Analytical collections for market evaluation. For every asset, key indicators are displayed. Price, 24H change, rise, fall. Market capitalization, pair liquidity, number of transactions, trading volume, number of holders, security level, quick buy button, for example, instantly for 1/10 SOL. MoonX transforms BYDFi into a hybrid platform, giving you all the advantages of a centralized exchange plus direct access to DEX opportunities in one place. BYDFi offers a convenient mobile app for iOS and Android which fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. Spot trading, futures, copy trading, trading bots, built-in MoonX DEX, deposits and withdrawals. App advantages, simple interface, everything opens quickly without unnecessary sections. Instant order execution, trades go through without delays. Convenience for mobile traders, check the market, open a trade, top up your balance, or stop a bot in just a couple of taps. Regular updates, the app runs smoothly and supports all new exchange features. The BYDFi mobile app turns your smartphone into a full-fledged trading terminal, letting you keep the market under control anytime, anywhere. BYDFi takes account and asset protection seriously, using a multi-layered security system, cold storage for most funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal confirmations, address protection, suspicious activity monitoring. How to strengthen security? Go to Profile, Security Center. Enable additional protection measures. Configure withdrawal confirmations. In the end, just a few minutes of setup, and your account will be protected at the level of a professional exchange. For new users, BYDFi offers a generous bonus program. Registration with promo code CryptoPump gives bonuses up to 8,100 USDT. Rewards are credited as coupons and deposit bonuses. The size of the bonuses depends on your activity, deposits, trading, and completing tasks. Referral program. Invite friends and earn cashback plus extra bonuses from their trading activity. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Support the channel so new reviews and guides reach you first. All links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and reliable wallets are already waiting in the description under the video. Your crypto starter kit for a confident beginning. BYDFi is not just an exchange, but a complete ecosystem for traders of any level. Simple navigation and fast interface, copy trading, trading bots, and futures. Built-in MoonX DEX for access to new tokens. Constant development and enhanced security. This is a platform that covers all tasks in one place, from your very first trades to advanced strategies. An excellent choice both for daily trading and long-term investments.